Hello learners, in this session we are going to learn about constants and variables in C language. Let's start from constants in C. C constants are of two types, primary constants and secondary constants. Primary constants are integer constant, real constant, character constant, and secondary constants are array, pointer, structure, union, enum, etc. Its value is fixed throughout the program. That means a constant or constants are those variables which value is not changed throughout the program. Now let's see some examples of various kinds of constants in C. Example of decimal constants are 10, 20, 450. Examples of real or floating point constant are 10.3, 20.2, 450.6. Examples of octal constants are 021, 033, 046, etc. Example of hexadecimal constant are 0x2a, 0x7b, 0xaa, etc. Examples of character constant are a, b, x. Examples of string constants are C, C program, C in Java point, etc. String constant is any word which is put under inverted commas. Now let's see about variables in C. A variable is a name of the memory location. It is used to store data. Its value can be changed and it can be reused many times. It is a way to represent memory location through symbol so that it can be easily identified. Now, types of variables in C. There are many types of variables in C such as local variable, global variable, static variable, automatic variable. Local variable. The below figure is an example of local variable where x is a local variable declared inside the function1. Kindly note that a local variable must be introduced in the starting of the block. Now, global variable. In the example given below, the value is a global variable that has been assigned 20. It must be declared at the start of the block. Now, static variable. In the below example, y is a static variable that is initialized in the function1. It retains its value between multiple function calls. Now, automatic variable. In the example given below, x and y are automatic variables, where x is an automatic variable since it's declared inside the block, while variable y has been explicitly declared as an automatic variable using the auto